So what we gonna do? What we gonna do?
Nothing. We ain't doing nothing.
Well, guys, we going to Sawgrass Mall.
Burlington.
Sawgrass Mall, same thing.
Yeah, we ain't going to the mall. We ain't going around nobody.
I tell you, don't take me places and tell me I cannot do. You should have leave me home. And when you bring me in the mall, you can tell me I need going to Burlington.
Okay, I ain't going around nobody. I'll sit in one spot while you go mingle with the people. You and them try to give her
Then you should have bring me in the store.
COVID. I ain't trying to catch COVID.
Then we should have stayed home.
I need to buy something.
Oh, okay.
So I come to Burlington.
So you go look for what you're looking for, and I'll go walk around.
Okay, you got your money.
You do that, right? I come to buy, just come to look around.
No, nobody looking around no store.
When I'm ready to buy, then I come look for you.
No. Okay. Yeah, I hope you find me. Hope you find me.
When I'm ready to pay, I come and looking for you, okay?
Yeah, hope you find me. Hope you find me.
That's what you must do, ladies, okay? You let your husband go one way, you go the next way. When you're ready to pay, you go look for him, okay? I'm teaching you a lot to do it.
Yeah. Yeah. That's
You can sit down. You can sit down while you look around or shop. Until you're ready to pay, and you go look for him. Find him in his sitting spot. That's how we do it.
I can't look at you.
Alright, guys. Heading to the mall.
And we gonna come right back to TNA.
And it's, huh?
Right back to Home Depot.
Home Depot.
We
I
got
should get Home Depot right there. Oh, yeah, about that. Out of here is full.
You look like they like shopping for Christmas, man.
Oh, that's their name. Primark. Oh, that's what they named it. Oh my gosh, it look like it's a popular store though. Remember that was JCPenney,
Yeah.
and they look full.
Look up brands, man.
I wonder what they sell.
Right there.
Brand Smart is full and all. Wow.
Don't keep them pandemic over there. Well, like everybody in the mall, I'm going to Burlington. I need everybody to come over to Burlington and either go on the south, on the west or the east end of the mall until I come over to Burlington. I need you to leave about 3 or 4 sales places in there, that's it.
Think you special or?
If I didn't have to go in here, I wouldn't go in here, son. And people look like they couldn't wait to get out of them. Look at them. Now we
This
get,
is just coming out. Just coming out.
you got tools in your eyes, though.
Why was there a boat in there?
You take the wrong turn. Oh, yeah.
The Bahama Breeze look empty. I think Burlington's somewhere way on right there.
Yeah.
You passing it because it's right
I'm
there.
passing it. Miss you, miss you, miss you. Gee, look in here. Here, look like they giving away something in here, too.
They said the movie theater's full. That's what this is right here. What you waiting on, Ivan? Gee, really? We're heading in men's department, I think. What you looking for, a shoe? Huh? So why you going over there? Oh. Alright. So over there. Oh, these cute. There go Jaden. Ivan and Jaden. Oh, these cute. This is it? Really? I'm just looking for work shoe. Well, I don't know. I just thought. These something, but they 12. See some over here, Ivan. All these lugs too. $29.99.
They don't say no 13.
It said it is. Oh no, that's a 10.
Okay.
In the wrong spot. Try the one on top. I'm gonna buy these for you.
Buy them for Margaret.
Hey. Oh, this whole wall is 13 and a half. Oh, that's why he kept walking down. No, I don't like those. You don't see nothing, right?
Nope. Let's go. Let me see. Find one cheap slippers for children.
Who, for Jaden?
Yeah.
I think he passed. Oh man, he got it on the next side.
Somebody, take it away. Take it away.
You said Target? You said Target?
Why are you going to Target? Oh, this girl shoes.
Yeah.
Come here.
Go through. I guess they don't have sandals for boys. Huh? Oh, this is nice. Yo, you found some?
No.
You're nice, right?
6.
Jesus. Funny, you don't like them.
6.
Oh, you got 6?
That's what you put yesterday.
Yeah, I like these. Like those, Jaden? You like those? No. Oh, they for $60. Yeah, you would like those.
I'm glad you like the one.
Hey. Uh-huh.
6 is on the other side.
So what?
6 is on this side.
Yeah, but be looking for sandals.
That's some slippers too. Yeah.
Over there.
Big woman was.
Yeah, that's ladies.
I bet you
Okay,
don't sell them.
probably not.
Okay.
So that's it. I haven't seen your shirt. Right there, what I bought for you. Remember that?
There's no shirts like this.
I'm going home to finish laundry. Nothing in there. I guess Ivan wanted to get out of the house. So we're gonna head back home. I'll stop at the Home Depot before we go. And we'll be heading home.
I can take the stairs.
Ready to go? Huh? No, but child, you know I can't take no stairs. No, I can't take no stairs. Okay, we heading to the car. We're gonna go to now you move. You don't want to be on camera. We're gonna head to Home Depot now, right? On Target. Go on the other side, Jaden.
My God, hurry up, come inside.
Y'all need sanitizer? Okay, guys, heading in Home Depot. You going to the right door? No, right? I don't think so either. Oh yeah, we need one. No, Jaden, a cart. Come on. Probably gotta go down there through the next door to get one. Let me go get one. Let me go grab one. I don't even see any. I see them out there. I don't even know where they have their carts. When we came in? Yeah. I think even Ivan. Oh, I see some right here. Right, we're back home. I'm trying to finish my laundry because I left it undone. But the good thing about it, guys, I'm on my last load. We were going to cook dinner, but we got home later than expected. Still didn't find what we went for. So we had to end up getting, we went to Burger King and grabbed something. throw these white loads in. And then I'll be done.
Hi. I hear you. You and me.
Are you turning the stove on?
Yeah.
Guys, look at my shirt. All right, now I'm fixed. Now I'm fixed, guys. Here in a mess.